Okay guys, so it's Memorial Day weekend and I am here and I want to show you guys something. So look at all these Mustangs that I just saw here. One. Tons of them here. A whole row of them. Awesome cars here. I don't know what they're doing, but a whole row of Mustangs. Not sure why they're here, but that's a cool one. Probably like 20 or 30 of these Mustangs here. So I live in a resort community. There's a big lake here, and today's Memorial Day. Not sure why all these cars are here, but oh, that one's cool. Look, it's a Shelby. That's a bad A car right there. How many are there?
I'm not sure this time around.
So there they go. They're leaving. Bad A Mustangs. Probably about 30 of them or so. Anyways, just wanted to show you that. I thought that was pretty cool.